Hello, dear young advocate friends. Many times you must have experienced that whenever you lose a case, in other words, whenever you face rejection from the court, whenever the court says no to you, in spite of you feeling that you have a very, very good case, you feel very bad about it. Everyone has gone through that phase. Even I have gone through that phase. I remember once I argued a case very fervently, believing that it was a very, very good case, and it was a good case. Still, the court rejected it. I couldn't sleep for the whole night. I felt so bad about it. So, dear young advocate friends, let us today explore the ins and outs of the legal profession and one of the toughest challenges that every lawyer faces, learning to accept rejection from the court. Dear friends, I am your mentor, Advocate Nahush Khubalkar. I have been practicing law since last 30 years and more, and I welcome you all to this channel. Those who are new, I specially welcome them today. Whether you are a seasoned litigator or a new lawyer just starting out, you know that losing a case can be a bitter pill to swallow. It's not just a matter of losing money or prestige or clients. It can feel like a personal failure, a rejection of your skills and expertise. But my dear friends, here's the thing. Rejection is an inevitable part of the legal profession. No matter how skilled you are, how well you prepare your case, or how convincing your arguments may be, there is always a chance that the court will rule against you. It's frustrating. It's demoralizing, and it's something that every lawyer has to face at some point in their career. So how to handle rejection from the court, how to bounce back from a loss, learn from your mistakes, and keep fighting for your clients. So whatever I'll be talking here today is coming from experienced lawyers and judges who have seen it all and who can offer insights and advice on how to stay resilient in the face of this kind of adversity. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and get ready to learn how to accept rejection from the court like a pro. Number 1, don't take it personally. You know, as a legal professional, it's important to remember that rejection is not a reflection of your personal abilities or worth as an advocate. Instead, it's a normal part of the legal process. Judges make their decisions based on the evidence and arguments presented to them, and sometimes the case may not go in your favor. Therefore, it's important not to take it personally and to avoid blaming yourself or others for the outcome of your case. Number 2, learn from the rejection. See, while it's important not to dwell on the rejection, it's equally important to take the time to reflect on what happened and what you can learn from the experience. So take a step back and consider why the case was rejected. Was there a weakness in the argument, a problem with evidence, or something else that could be improved upon in future cases? So by taking the time to analyze the situation, you can identify opportunities for growth and development in your legal skills and strategies. Number 3, consult with senior advocates. See, seeking feedback and advice from more experienced advocates is an excellent way to learn from the rejection and move forward. Consider reaching out to a mentor or senior advocate for their thoughts on what happened and what you can do differently next time. They may have insights and advice that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. Number 4, consider filing an appeal. If you believe that the court made a mistake in rejecting your case, you may consider filing an appeal. This is a legal process that allows you to challenge the decision of the lower court in a higher court. But it's important to carefully assess the risks and benefits before proceeding with an appeal. Filing an appeal can be time-consuming and expensive, and there is always a risk that the higher court may uphold the decision of the lower court. Therefore, it's important to consult with experienced advocates and consider all of the factors before deciding whether to file an appeal or not. Number 5, stay professional. Even if you feel frustrated or disappointed with the outcome of the case, it's important to maintain a professional demeanor. Now, this means avoiding any negative or unprofessional behavior, such as arguing with the judge or opposing counsel, making personal attacks, or behaving in a confrontational manner. Instead of that, maintain a respectful and professional demeanor throughout the process and focus on presenting your arguments and evidence in the most effective way possible. Number 6, focus on your strengths. See, while rejection can be disheartening, it's important to remember that you have many strengths and abilities as a legal professional. Focus on your areas of expertise and the types of cases where you excel. This can help you build confidence and momentum and make it easier to bounce back from rejection and move on to new cases. Number 7, take care of yourself. See, dealing with rejection can be emotionally taxing, so it's important to take care of yourself during this time. This might include engaging in self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with the loved ones. So by taking care of your mental and physical health, you will be better equipped to handle the challenges and demands of the legal profession. Number 8, don't give up. See, rejection is a normal part of the legal profession, and every advocate experiences setbacks and challenges along the way. It's important not to give up or lose sight of your goals and aspirations. Instead of that, stay focused and committed to your work and continue to learn and grow as a legal professional. With perseverance and hard work, you can overcome rejection and achieve success in your legal career. Number 9, seek feedback. While it's important to maintain a positive attitude after experiencing rejection, it's also important to seek feedback and constructive criticism. This can help you identify areas where you need to improve and can provide valuable insights for future cases. So seek feedback from mentors, colleagues, or other legal professionals who you trust and respect. Number 10, learn from your mistakes. When a case is rejected, take the time to reflect on what went wrong. Were there any errors in your argument or evidence? Could you have presented your case differently? By analyzing your mistakes and learning from them, you can improve your performance in future cases and increase your chances of success. Number 11, collaborate with other legal professionals. Sometimes rejection can be an opportunity to network and collaborate with other legal professionals. If a case is rejected, consider reaching out to colleagues or other advocates who may have experienced the same kind of things. Collaborating with others can help you learn new strategies and approaches and can provide valuable support and encouragement during challenging times. Number 12, develop resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and challenges. It's an important skill for legal professionals who often face rejection and setbacks in their work. To develop resilience, focus on building a strong support network, developing coping strategies, and staying positive and optimistic about the future. Number 13, recognize the limits of your control. While there are steps you can take to minimize the chances of rejection in a case, ultimately there are many factors outside your control. Recognizing the limits of your control can help you stay focused on the things you can influence, and you can help maintain a healthy perspective when faced with rejection or other challenges. And the last point is practice self-compassion. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness, empathy, and understanding, especially during difficult times. So practicing self-compassion can help you maintain a positive attitude and build resilience in the face of rejection or other challenges in the legal profession. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this episode on learning to accept no from the court. As a lawyer or advocate, it's not easy to face rejection, but it's an inevitable part of our profession. It takes time and experience to develop the mental toughness required to handle rejection gracefully. But just bear in mind, when your case gets rejected, It's not a reflection of your abilities as a lawyer. There are many factors that can influence the court's decision, and sometimes it may have nothing to do with the strength of your case. So don't take it personally and don't let it discourage you. Instead, use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. So I hope these tips and insights will help you navigate the challenges of the legal profession with greater confidence and resilience. Remember, it's a long journey and every rejection is an opportunity to grow and learn. So thank you for listening to this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to this channel and leave a review in the comments section. Your feedback and support are greatly appreciated. So stay tuned for more episodes, and until next time, keep learning and growing as a lawyer or advocate.